Opening scene. Cinematic shots of the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat LBWK roaring down an open highway, with dramatic lighting and fast-paced background music. Narrator, energetic voice. Welcome to SpeedSense Reviews, your ultimate destination for everything fast, powerful, and exhilarating in the world of cars. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of engineering and design, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat LBWK. A bold blend of heritage and innovation, this beast pushes boundaries and redefines what muscle cars stand for. Scene transition. Close-up of the car's sleek exterior, highlighting its aggressive front fascia, widebody kit, and signature Hellcat badging. The Challenger SRT Hellcat LBWK is a true head-turner. Liberty Walk's touch gives it an ultra-aggressive stance with flared wheel arches, low-slung aerodynamics, and a custom splitter that screams dominance. The matte finishes, carbon fiber accents, and unique LED lighting create a presence that's impossible to ignore. This car isn't just a ride, it's a statement. Cut to shots of the Hellcat's interior, showing premium seats, digital displays, and unique design elements. Inside, it's all about merging comfort with performance. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring premium Alcantara leather seats, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art technology. A customizable 12-inch digital display provides all the stats you need, while the Uconnect system ensures you're always connected, even at top speeds. Transition to a dynamic sequence of the car accelerating, showcasing its power. But let's talk performance because that's where this car truly shines. Powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 Hemi engine, the Hellcat LBWK delivers an astonishing 807 horsepower. With a top speed of over 200 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time under 3.5 seconds, this beast is built to dominate the streets and the track. The advanced suspension system, Brembo brakes, and precision-tuned handling ensure you stay in control, no matter how hard you push it. Scene transition. Overlay text shows starting price. All this power and style come at a starting price of around $95,000. It's a premium tag, but for the sheer thrill, exclusivity, and jaw-dropping design, it's worth every penny. The Challenger SRT Hellcat LBWK isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Closing scene. The car drives off into the sunset, with the SpeedSense Reviews logo fading into view. Narrator. Thanks for tuning into SpeedSense Reviews. If you love this breakdown of the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat LBWK, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay fast. Outro music plays.